Macy to class today on this Friday the 8th. Hope you're doing well. I'm sure you're glad it's a Friday, as I am also. Let's finish the week well and work hard in class today. Please listen carefully to these announcements. Here we go. First of all, there'll be a quiz on Monday. Please study well over the weekend. Quiz on Monday. Turn your homework in from yesterday, please. If you've not done that yet, let me check my email real quick, see if you've turned that in. No, not yet. Okay. So please turn your homework in. Incompletes, there are none. Now today, Macy, we're going to take notes and we're going to work on homework. All right. The video today is about matrices. All right. That's the plural for matrix. All right. We will look at their characteristics. We will look at how to order them. We will look at different kinds of matrices and what their names are. And we'll also learn how to add and subtract matrices. Pretty simple stuff, not too difficult. There's the teaching video, about 23 minutes. Here's the homework that is due Monday. So you do have homework over the weekend. Alright. There's the homework. Only 6 problems. So pretty simple. There's a help video about 8 minutes long. Okay? Now, let's go over your quiz from Tuesday. You made a 94 on your quiz. Alright? So let me go over this with you real quick here. Now, a couple things, okay? First of all, let me really help you with number 2, okay? This right here should have gone right there. Let me explain why, Macy, okay? Listen to me carefully. I can really help you, okay? Never compare decimal numbers. Never, unless they all have the same amount of decimal places. Okay? So let me show you what I mean, okay? All of these numbers have 2 decimal places except this one. So what you want to do is add a 0 to the end. So it looks like this. There. And now, if you'll think of your number line, your 0, you would have negative, let's see, 6.02, and then negative 6.08, then negative 6.10, and that's the one you missed, and then negative 6.11. Okay? Now, 6.01 would come right here, but this is 6.10. Okay? When you make them all have the same amount of decimal places, it really makes it a lot easier, Macy, to put them in order. Okay? And then, of course, you're writing them in descending order. So you start with your numbers over here and work your way down to this number here. And so this should have been right next to this. Okay? So that's one mistake you made. The other mistake you made was very simple. Please watch carefully. Right here. Now we have 3 times the absolute value of 5 minus 11, or positive 5, negative 11. Now, Macy, you know that means 3 absolute value of negative 6. Now think about that. You put negative 18. Alright? Now, this is 3 times the absolute value of negative 6, right? 3 times the absolute value of negative 6. Well, Macy, what is the absolute value of negative 6? Positive 6. So you really have 3 times positive 6, which is a positive 18. Other than that, you did great. First mistake was 1 point off. Second mistake was 5 points off. Every mistake after that, although you didn't make any more mistakes, but every mistake after that was 10 points off, and then 13 points off, okay? So, anyways, 94, so very good job on your quiz. Now, for Monday's quiz, Macy, please study the problems on the homework assignments from these two lessons. Remember, that was one homework assignment, okay? It was multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers. Okay, so these two lessons are one assignment. And then studying this assignment here, which is actually today's assignment, okay? So, those two assignments, any of those problems, are fair game for the quiz from those two assignments. That's all for today, Macy. Please get to work on your notes and your homework. Remember to study over the weekend for your quiz on Monday. Have a great weekend. Contact me if you have any questions at all.